Let's take a look at my door contact on my Jeep. When I open my rear passenger door, the light doesn't come on. So let's take a look. The Jeep in question. The only way to go. So I got the door contact out. So this is the old one. Looks like this is out all the way. Stopped coming out all the way. So there's that one. I already took it out, cleaned it. It's literally just one screw. That screw fell on the ground, but there it is. Then I took some speed shine, just cleaned behind it since it's there. Now the only thing I notice is there's no like rubber gasket here. So technically speaking, any water that comes down can kind of just flow right in there. So I'm gonna be a little picky. I'll put a little RTV or something around the bottom. Yeah, so as you see, there's no RTV or anything on here. So theoretically, I guess any rain could come down. I got to make sure not to cover up the grounding terminal. So I have some RTV. I don't know, may or may not be the best thing, but I just rather try to keep some water out of the inside as best as possible. So I'm just going to take some and spread it, kind of spread it around. Just enough to try to keep some water out of it. And this one does go mount down, so I'm just putting it around the top side. So let's go get it installed. So there we go. Going to slide that in. And then push it back inside. Up, and I was wrong. Mounts the other way. Oh, look, it had a grounding connection and the light came on. I don't know if you could see that on camera. I like to spin it backwards just to make sure my holes are lined up, and then there we go. And then, I don't know if you saw, but the light did come on, which it didn't do. So I'll shut it. And then if all goes well, the light will turn off in a minute or two. But it's taking its time. I'll be back when this does go off. If it goes off. I forgot the timer. Oh, well, as soon as I stop the camera, there we go. Light came off. Let's test it. Open it up, boom, came on. Again, it didn't do that last time. So yeah, if anyone wants these door stops they work on a 98 ZJ. So there we go. I'm gonna go look if there's any other ones I need to fix.